Welcome to the Techno Source, a leading supplier and service provider for air compressors, piping solutions, and cleaning machines. The company was established in 2007 in Ghaziabad. Our state-of-the-art infrastructure and rigorous quality tests help us to cater to East Asia and the Middle East. Assured quality, high functionality, and specialized R&D wings are the reasons behind our success. Along with that, we are an authorized distributor of air compressors, industrial piping, cleaning machines, and compressed air dryers. We have specialized trained team of service engineers for air compressors and cleaning machines. That is in huge demand across the global markets. We have gained tremendous expertise in providing compressed air dryers. Aatm's pipe fittings offered by us are acknowledged for their functionality. Reciprocating and screw air compressors are available under air compressors. We have specialized trained piping installation teams who have completed several projects successfully. Our organization is backed by rich industry experience of more than 11 years in distributing, supplying, and trading a wide range of industrial air compressors, air dryers, industrial gas generators, and nitrogen gas plants. The range available with us includes compressed air dryers, etc. These are renowned for high functionality, low maintenance, and easy operation. With our domain expertise, we specialize in undertaking complete turnkey projects. We offer services right from designing, fabricating, commissioning, and installing the plant at the client's site. Our infrastructure, our technically advanced products, are manufactured in state-of-the-art infrastructure. It is equipped with ultra-modern machines that aid in the manufacturing of superior quality industrial process equipment. Further, our facility is well planned into a number of departments that complement the various stages of production. The different units are as follows. We have ready stock of air compressors, piping and cleaning machines always available to meet the customer requirements.
I'm a partner in this firm from this Techno Source. We are two partners, myself Gaurav and other one is Ashish Sharma. This firm has been established in 2008. Since then we are going up and up day by day with all of your support. We are actually distributors for three brands. First one is Chicago Pneumatic Compressor. Chicago Pneumatic is a market leader in terms of compressors. Deal in screw compressors, pad blowing compressors, and we do erection and commissioning for these compressors also. We do supply compressors and along with that we do commissioning for those compressors. Thank you so much.